Anand.
I am Akhil Kumar.
I am Harsh Singh.
I am Anand Dubey.
We are pursuing our Electronics and Communication Engineering at IIIT near Raipur. We have created Laser Defense and Security System, which is part of our IT Workshop 2, and which is a 2-credit course. We faced many challenges and some experiences which we are going to share with you. So let's get started.
Components which are used in our project are, first of all, the Raspberry Pi board. It is a small credit card like size device. It has the speed of about 700 megahertz. Also, the size of it is about 512 MB RAM. We are also interfacing an Arduino board along with it because we required an ADC converter, that is analog to digital converter. The second major component which we are using in our project is the LDR. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. It is a kind of resistor. You can say it is a variable resistor because its resistance depends upon the intensity of the light which is falling over it. As the intensity of the light which is falling over the LDR increases, the resistance value decreases. So we can say that the resistance value of the LDR is inversely proportional to the intensity of the light which is falling over it. It is one of the major components which we are using in our project. We have also attached two LDRs on either side of this wooden frame. This one and this one. We are also using a rectangular frame in this project. It has two plane mirrors which are attached on the either side of the wooden frame. Also, we are using the servo motor.
Told about the components required. Let's move on to the circuit diagram. So here is the central part of our main project, RY. So now the critical issue was that the RY works on the plus 3.3 volt. But as we told that the Arduino which works on the plus 5 volt, we required it for the serial interfacing. So for the serial communication, for the safer communication, we needed this voltage divider circuit. The voltage divider circuit, it would drop the plus 5 volt to the Arduino to the 3.3 volt here at the RY. So the RY module will be safe. Now coming to the LDR placement. The LDR, which was the light sensitive resistor. So we connected the ground to the one part of the LDR. We connected LDRs parallelly and took that potential at the center of this whole arrangement to the Arduino as an analog signal. We have connected the plus 5 volt to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, which gave up the whole circuit at the LDR side. So let's go to the servo. Now we have programmed the servo such that it would rotate on the angles which are described. Whenever an obstacle enters into the fence, the servo was coded such that the blockage of the laser beam gives the buzzer, the plus 5 volt makes the buzzer on signal. So that's how the whole circuit diagram and the whole main project work.
From very beginning, we will start with laser pointer. Laser beam will come out from the laser pointer and it will face the rotating mirror connected to the servo. The mirror will reflect those laser beams and different angles which will be coded, and these beams will reflect to the mirror couple attached with our wooden model. As servo motor is having different angles, so multiple reflection will occur to the mirror couple, so that in short interval of time there will be laser beam, multiple laser beams, so it will create a laser fence. Now coming to the LDR placement, we have connected to LDR nearly end side of the upper body of the frame. It will provide a end-to-end coverage for the laser beams. Now when the obstacle will interfere in the laser fence created by the laser beam, then the laser beam that was focusing on the LDR before, now it will not focus. In this model for the obstacle detection, we have used buzzer with Arduino. Until laser beam will be focusing on LDR, we will get a common resistance value
according to the atmosphere in which the model has been kept. So resistance value will drastically change from the common value. This change will go to the Arduino, and from the Arduino it will communicate serially with the Pi. We will use the interference of any obstacle with the buzzer detection. A buzzer will be on when any obstacle will interfere in the laser fence.
Other improvements that we can implement on our project can be, we can increase the number of LDR sensors. We have initially used 2, now we can increase it up to how many we want, and that would in turn increase sensitivity and accuracy of the laser fence. The second thing that we can implement on our project can be, we can integrate it with IoT, Internet of Things. In that we can, the benefit of using IoT would be that the laser fence would be monitored in real time, and the exact location and time at which the fence has been blocked would be sent to the admin at that instant of time. The third thing that we can implement is that we can improve the coding algorithm of our RPi. In that, the benefit of using that would be that the efficiency of the code would be better, and the laser fence would be more intelligent and precise.
We are thankful to Debanjan sir for providing us an opportunity for exploring various ideas and researching about various topics, so that we can create more and more projects and related to our security system, as well as health, ATM and other projects.